superstars! Welcome to Happy Learning Land! Today we're bouncing with the beautiful blue letter B. B says... B says... Can you say it with us? B. B at the beginning. Be all, ball, bounce, bounce. B, B-E. B. Buzz, buzz, buzz. B can be in the middle. B-A-T, bat, flap, flap. C-U-B, cub, that's a baby bear. Let's write B. Start at the top, straight down, big curve, small curve, beautiful B. You can read ball, bee, bat, cub. Amazing job! B ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. B, buzz, buzz, buzz. B-A-T, bat in the night. C-U-B, cub, cuddly and bright. B, blue and so cool. Letter B is the best at school. Yeah! Great job, superstars! You learned ball, bee, bat, and cub. See you next time for letter C.